Hello and welcome to 383 26th Avenue, brand new 3-bedroom units. We're going to start off on the right side of the unit. There are beautiful wood floors throughout. 3 bedrooms. Here is one. Double pane windows, nice modern fixtures. Here's the second bedroom. These units are immaculate. This one has a huge closet. There's washer dryer stackable in the hallway. Here's the full bath with shower, modern fixtures. Here's the master, and to the right is a full bath with shower and a huge room that easily fits a king-size bed. Now we're going to head on up to the front of the building where you'll see an amazing kitchen with an open and flexible floor plan. Brand new stainless appliances, kitchen island. You can have seating here, stainless dishwasher, tons of cabinet space. Right here, you can fit a dining room table. And here is the living room. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsinsf.com. Thanks so much.